So today I want to show you this camera gimbal right here. This is the DJI RS4 Mini, a compact and lightweight stabilizer designed for content creators, filmmakers and photographers who need smooth and professional looking footage without carrying a large setup. One of the first things you'll notice is how portable it is. Despite its compact size, the RS4 Mini offers impressive stabilization performances, making it ideal for handheld shooting, travel videos, vlogs and creative cinematic projects. The gimbal supports a wide range of mirrorless cameras and lenses, providing plenty of flexibility for different shooting styles. Its upgraded stabilization systems helps reduce unwanted camera shake, allowing you to capture smooth footages even while walking or moving through challenging environments. Another great feature is the quick release design, which makes mounting and balancing your camera faster and more convenient. The controls are intuitive and easy to access, helping you switch between shooting modes and adjusted settings with minimal interruption. Battery life is also excellent, allowing you to extend shooting sessions without constantly worrying about recharging. So if you're looking for a lightweight, portable, reliable camera stabilizer that I would recommend, also price per quality, this is the one.